everybody, it's Coach Emma from Playball. We miss you guys and we hope you're all doing good. And we're gonna start with our warm-up. So first, we are going to put out our shapes so everybody knows where to stand. And if you don't have shapes, you can use pieces of colored paper so everybody will know where to stand. And after you have all of your shapes set up, one for each friend, everybody's gonna stand on their own shape. Okay, does everybody have their own shape ready? All right, we're gonna start our warm-up now. Everybody bend down and touch your toes. And give your toes a little tickle, 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 tickle. And then you're gonna stand up and reach for the stars. You're gonna grab the stars. And then you're gonna sway in the wind like a tree. Woo! Okay. Now everybody's gonna run in place on their shape. Run as fast as you can, and then run as slow as you can, and run fast as you can, and freeze. Okay, now we're gonna do 10 jumping jacks. You ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good job everybody. Now we are going to start with our first skill. And for our first skill, we're gonna be working on throwing. So you can either use a small ball if you have one, or if you don't have a small ball, you can use a little stuffed animal. And everybody has their stuffed animal? Okay, you're gonna hold your stuffed animal by your ear like you're talking on the telephone. And then you're going to point where you want your stuffed animal to go. And you're gonna say, hello. And then on the count of 3, you're gonna throw it as hard as you can and say, bye-bye. Okay, is everybody ready? 1, 2, 3, bye-bye. And then you're gonna go get your ball or your stuffed animal, and then we're gonna do it 3 more times. Okay, is everybody ready? All right, hello. 1, 2, 3, bye-bye. Good job. Now go get your stuffed animal, and we're gonna do it 1 more time. All right, ready? Say hello. 1, 2, 3, bye-bye. And then go get your stuffed animal or your ball and pick it up. And you're going to bring it back, and you're gonna put those away. And you're gonna go back to your shape, and we're gonna set up for the next skill. And for our next skill, we are going to do dribbling. So you're gonna either use cones, or if you don't have cones, you can use cups or bowls that you have at your house. And you're gonna put them right next to each other. And then you're going to get a big ball, and you're gonna use both of your hands, and you're gonna dribble the ball back and forth between your hands. So you're gonna push the ball back and forth, and you have to walk while you do that, and you're gonna walk all the way through the finish line. Is everybody ready? Okay, and go. So dribble, 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 back and forth, and through the finish line. Okay, and we're gonna do that a few more times. Is everybody ready? Okay, and go. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, through the finish line. Okay, we're gonna do it 1 more time. And this time you're gonna try to do it really fast, okay? All right, ready? Go. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and through the finish line. Okay, good job, everybody. You're going to put your balls away, and you can put your cups away. And go back to your shapes so we can get ready for our next skill. The next skill we're gonna do is hopscotch. So if you have hoops, we're gonna use hoops, but if you don't have hoops, then you can get some chalk and draw your own hopscotch on the concrete. You're gonna start off with 1 circle. And right above that, you're going to do 2 circles right next to each other. And then 1 circle. And then 2 circles. And then 1 circle. And then 2 circles. Okay, and now we're ready to start. When you jump in the hoops or your circles that are only 1 circle, you're going to jump with your feet together and both feet in the same circle. And then next, there's 2 circles next to each other. So you're going to jump and put 1 foot in each circle so your feet will be far apart. And then you're going to jump and put your feet back together for the next circle. And then there's 2 circles, so you're going to jump and put 1 foot in each circle again. And you're going to do that the whole way down until you finish, okay? Okay, is everybody ready? All right, let's go. Feet together and feet apart, and feet together and feet apart, and feet together and feet apart. Good job. Okay, we're going to do that a few more times. All right, is everybody ready? And feet together and feet apart, and feet together and feet apart, and feet together and feet apart. Good job. Okay, now we're going to go through and let each friend have a turn. So, next friend, feet together and feet apart, and feet together and feet apart, and feet together and feet apart. Good job. Okay, now we're going to let our last friend go. So one more time. You ready? And feet together, apart, together, apart, together, and apart. Good job. Okay, now everybody's going to go back to their shape, and we're going to get ready for our next skill. Our next skill, we're going to be walking and clapping. So, you're going to start at the starting line. So we're going to use a cup for the starting line, and then we're going to use another cup for the finish line. And first we're going to take 1 step and we're going to clap. We're going to go 1. And then the next time we're going to take 2 steps. So we're going to go 1, 2. And then the next time we're going to take 3 steps. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And next we're going to take 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then lastly, we're going to take 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, so is everybody ready to go? All right, ready? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. All right, let's do it again. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. And one more time. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And good job. Now we're going to help each other clean up all the equipment that we used. And we're going to go back to our shapes. When you get back to your shapes, we're going to try to balance on 1 foot. Can everybody balance on 1 foot? Good job. Now try to balance on the other foot. Good. Now can you balance with your hands on your tummy? Good. Now put your hands on your head, and hands on your knees, and hands on your feet, and hands up in the air. Good job. Okay, now we're all ready for our next skill. For our next skill, we are going to be doing catching and throwing. So again, you're going to either use a beanbag or a small ball, or if you don't have those things, you can use a little stuffed animal. And you're going to need your teacher's help for this one. So you're going to hold your toy right in front of your belly, and you're going to spread your feet a little bit and make your hands face up to the sky. And when your teacher comes in front of you and it's your turn, you're going to toss your animal or your ball right to your teacher, and then they're going to toss it right back to you, and you're going to catch it with your hands up and pull it to your belly, okay? All right, you ready? All right, 1, 2, 3, throw. Good job. And then you're going to catch it to your tummy. All right, ready? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, throw. Good job. And then we're going to catch it. 1, 2, 3, and catch. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, and throw. And then we're going to catch it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and catch it. Good job. All right, let's do it a few more times. You ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, and throw. Good job. And catch. Good job. Everybody's gonna get a few turns doing this, okay? So you're gonna throw, and then you're gonna catch the stuffed animal. We got Peppa Pig here. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, and throw. And catch. Good job. Each student should have a few turns throwing it back and forth with the teacher. You ready? 1, 2, 3, throw. And catch. Good job. Ready? 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, and throw. And 1, 2, 3, and catch. Good job. And last one. Make it the best one yet. 1, 2, 3, throw, and catch. Good job, everybody. Now, everybody, get back to your shapes. Okay, is everybody back to your shapes? Good. Now we're going to play our game for the end of Playball. And we're going to play Simon Says. So, if Coach Emma says, Simon says, put your hands on your head, then you're going to put your hands on your head. And if Coach Emma says, Simon says, put your hands on your toes, you're going to put your hands on your toes. Okay? Is everybody ready? Okay. Simon says, put your hands on your belly. Simon says, rub your belly. Good. Simon says, spin around in a circle. Simon says, stop spinning. Okay, Simon says, touch your ears. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, touch your toes. Simon says, tickle your toes. Simon says, sit on the ground. Okay, Simon says, stand up. And Simon says, touch your knees. And Simon says, touch your shoulders. Good job. And Simon says, do a jumping jack. Good job, everybody. Okay, now we are done with all of our skills, and you guys did a really good job today. Now we're going to sing our Playball song. Does everybody remember that? Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go play ball. Play ball, play ball, rah, rah, rah. When you're in play ball, you're a star. Everybody make your stars. Good job. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.